Collections is the broadest term in the bullet journal dictionary, which is why it can be so difficult to help with the question of what are some collection ideas for my bullet journal. In this video, we're going to look at what collections are, some examples of collections, and the difference between the two main types of collections. Starting with the basics, collections are layouts that you set up in your journal to hold like information. From that definition alone, you can kind of see why it's as broad a term as it is, because there is so many different types of information that people want to record, and there are plenty of different ways to group it, whether that be by time, topic, what you're going to do with the information. So when people ask for collection inspiration, it's quite a big can of worms. For example, a key is a collection because it groups the like information of the symbols or colors that you're using in your bullet journal to represent different things. A future log is a collection because it groups the like information of future happenings, or grouping things by time. A shopping list is a collection because it groups the like information of things that you need to get when you go to the shops. I can give you a list of 52 ideas for mental health related bullet journal collections alone, which is why collection ideas can be a bit tricky to help with. To help us consider collections more deeply though, it's good to think about the two different types of collections: core collections and custom collections. Core collections are the ones given to us in the original bullet journal method, and we can consider them kind of as the backbone of the bullet journal system. There are 5 core collections, and those are the index, the future log, the monthly log, weekly log, and daily log. Each of these collections has a specific function within the bullet journal system, so helping us to record information on different time frames, and then helping us to find those entries after the fact. Custom collections, on the other hand, are layouts that are designed by the user, or by you. These fall outside of the core collections and include literally every other collection you can think of. That could be something like a habit tracker, a wish list, a to-be-read page, a savings challenge layout, a swatch page. What collections are going to work for you is very much dependent on what the purpose of your bullet journal is. What are you trying to have it help you do or achieve? And thus, what kind of information are you trying to record, and how do you want to group that information? While we've gone over the basics of collections in this video, it's worth having a closer look at the custom and core collections separately. For a deeper dive into the core collections, we do have a separate video on each of them. Those are in the playlist at the top. Or if you wanted to dive a little deeper into the custom collections, and in particular how to pick them for your journal setup, then the video at the bottom is for you. Click or tap on either of those and I'll see you over there.